This build came to us as a result of the client being good friends with our owners here at APA. Naturally, after purchasing the car, it was a no-brainer to give it the APA custom shop treatment. The car, dubbed Gemma, was already very well complete and clean inside and out, only missing several creature comforts that every Arizona cruiser needs. The client provided us with a complete CPP Classic Performance Power Steering upgrade package. This kit consists of a new steering gearbox and Saginaw power steering pump combined with all other necessary conversion pieces. Second, and likely most important, if you have a hot rod in Arizona, you need air conditioning. Here at APA, we provide complete installation and setup for Vintage Air systems. Vintage Air provides custom fit AC solutions, whether your vehicle had original AC or not. This is an absolute must for Arizona summer. This kit comes complete with a new electronic drive-by-wire blower box, along with all supporting components to keep you comfortable in your ride. The installation of both systems requires some custom fitment, which means custom bracketry to tie it all together. This allows for the AC compressor and power steering pump to function with the Gen 1 small block. The original Fuelie heads do not have a threaded boss or mounting solution, therefore we had to get creative on mounting both pieces. Once the mounting was done, the last thing was to address the upper radiator hose, which was now blocked by the new components. Again, call on our master fabricator to relocate the neck on the radiator to a new position, which not only completed the install, but also added a very subtle yet custom touch to this beautiful engine bay. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled for Gemma out on the valley streets and at your local car shows. Check out the installation and give us a call if we can help your ride.